faced an interview before or nervous to face an interview? Resume, CV. What should I include in my resume, what not? How can I boost confidence levels? What are the basic questions asked by the interviewer? Well, my name is Shan and I am going to share with you some of my personal experiences and learn around with you. I'm here to share some basic interview skills. Some basic interview skills. Let's start the session. Resume, CV. Is there any difference between them? Yes, obviously. Well, resume is a 1 or 2 pages. While preparing resume, you have to keep in mind that you should prepare it on your own, or else you have to give the details to the person whom you ask them to make. Mostly, don't copy the resume because you should know what are included in your resume and what not. Because the interviewer may ask the details what you have mentioned in the resume. Never lie in a resume or don't put fake details in a resume. You should be able to answer the questions what you have kept in the resume. Because the interviewer may ask, run me through your resume. For example, if you don't read books and you mention reading books is my hobby, then you may get caught when he asks about what are the books you have read. What is the summary? Well, there is no particular format for a resume, and a CV will be in a very formal way. There is no particular format for a resume. You can create it on your own way by putting all your creativity in resume. You can show all the creativity in resume. While coming to CV, you should follow the format and go. I will let you know about the complete details about preparing the resume. I'll let you know about the preparation of resume in another dedicated video. And the next thing is dressing. We all know that we attend in formals. While choose cool colors and not flashy things. Don't wear jeans, sneakers and heavy jewelry. It doesn't look good. And mostly wear a smile. Enter the hall with a smile and be confident. Did you know that wearing new clothes or wearing the clothes you wear can boost your confidence? Try it by your own. The next thing is being conscious. Listen what are the questions asked by the interviewer. It doesn't sound good to ask pardon or repeat the questions. So be conscious and listen properly. You should talk but don't over talk. There should be a conversation going through, not a single one way. Talk adequately, talk efficiently. Be confident. How can you be confident? By wearing a smile, having content in your mind. It's okay to be nervous. When the interview came from the stage of giving interviews as an interview, you should look confident and also you shouldn't look overconfident. Don't use superlative words which may portray you to be overconfident. So avoid the superlatives. Do research about the company. Analyze the job description. Be punctual. Prepare for the basic interviewer questions which I'll make a dedicated video on that. Be confident. Maintain eye contact. Speak clearly, listen clearly. Define your career goals. Be confident about your career goals. Be clear about your career goals like long-term, short-term and mid-term goals. Talk about them. Talk more. Talk efficiently. Okay, let's summarize this session. We have learnt about CV, resume, looking confident and not overconfident, talking efficiently, not more or less, dressing well, having a bright smile, knowing about the company and job, maintaining proper body language, and preparing some basic interview questions. Let's meet in the next video. It will be on basic interview questions like tell me about yourself, why should I hire you, and more. Please do subscribe, like and share, and also comment below and give me the feedback. And let me know what more videos can I do and what more topics should I bring. Thank you.